Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rohit and you're watching Sniff and Smell. Well, today I'm gonna tell you about a lot about three perfumes. Perfumes for the rest of your life. So guys, we'll start talking about the three perfumes for the rest of my life. These three perfumes are based on my personal review, on my personal choice. I would like to recommend these perfumes to all of you who would always search, who are always in search of a good perfume. So general people do not have any clue what is a meaning of a good perfume. So allow me to explain these three perfumes. Okay, these three are super close to my heart and are legends in terms of a performance, compliments, price, and everything. See, so the first one which I would like to introduce is Pakurabane Invictus. Pakurabane Invictus is itself a legend in the perfume industry. When around in 2013 this perfume was launched, almost each and everyone was more astonished by looking onto the bottle rather than understanding the perfume or the notes. The bottle was made so mass appealing, it was so like eye catching, it looked like a crown, a trophy, It exactly looks like a trophy, see. So it was, catching a lot of attention worldwide. So this perfume had sold, I cannot tell you like how many bottles have they sold out, but this is like a legend. This perfume for me, why is it so important and why is it so uh, close to my heart? Because this was gifted by my wife. Okay, so thanks for gifting me to my wife. So this perfume is like super good, super good. There are lots of other things which I'll explain you. Right now we are just looking onto the presentation part. So this is how that looks like, the Pakurabane, uh, the badging over here, the Invictus written over here, okay. And the most important thing in this perfume, it do not has any kind of a cap. It's just a kind of a sprayer. You just need to push over here, okay, and you get the spray. That's it. You are done. You are done. Okay. The next perfume was for me Versace Rose. As in the last video, I told you, this is the stifler, the master, the gaming, the playboy in the fragrance industry. Versace Rose. You know why I love? I always love cool things, the things which gives me a lot of relief. The bottle of this color gives me a lot of relief. This color resembles to the oceanic color, the ocean. It's not that dense blue, it's a cool blue color. By the time you look to the fragrance, you can feel the cooling wave inside you. So this is why I love this perfume. And the most important thing, I love gold, the golden color or the gold. So along with blue, you have a huge sexy logo of Versace in the gold color. See over here. Okay. So the second fragrance which I like the most, and the third, oh man, this fragrance do not need any explanation in terms of bottle, in terms of the color, in terms of anything. I don't need to give any kind of information about this. Don't take it in other way that I have given this one the first, this the second, and this the third. It is just in the random way. These three are super close to my heart. Now I'll tell you why is it so close to my heart and why I am recommending you these three fragrances for the rest of your life. Based on a lot of things, so we'll start upon the first representation part which I have explained you. Okay, I think I've missed this one. This black bottle, it's not black, it's kind of a faded black. You can see the juice, if you want to understand, you can easily see the juice in the light. The black bottle and the chrome look grabs a lot of attention. See, like it grabs a huge attention. It's that great. So in terms of bottle, if you ask me out of all three which bottle you like the most, I'll say first, second, and then third, the Versace. So in lots of other aspects, the perfumes are divided. I have divided along on those aspects. Okay. So presentation part is all done. Now I'll tell you the juice part. How does it smells like and why I like it to the most. First, I'll spray this Invictus. This Invictus has the vibe of grapefruit, oceanic note, as well as some woody kind of fragrance. That's in the dry down. Okay, so I'll just show you how does the spread look works. It's very smooth, man. Oh, Can you see? Just my whole hand is totally dipped into juice. This fragrance, I don't just need to take a sniff. From here, I can get a huge, a loud whiff of this perfume. Okay, the grapefruit accord is just superb. The oceanic note, see, ocean, what we see, the sea, the Arabian Sea, whatever the oceans, we cannot smell that. But scientists and perfumers have built up a molecule that smells like the deep ocean. The vibes of the deep ocean, you can smell it on the molecule. And the molecules which are made up of some chemicals, those are very expensive. Due to that thing, the perfume is so expensive. So that grapefruit, that woody texture, the oceanic note, oh man. If you have not sniffed a good perfume, an expensive perfume, and if you take a spray, if you take a sniff of this perfume, you will just fall down over there. It's that damn good. Why I took it this to the number one? This is one of the most versatile perfume. I don't need to think if I have to wear this perfume. I can wear it anywhere, in the office, in the restaurant, on a date, with a family member, on family occasion, in a movie, whenever and wherever you want, you can just spray this perfume. It is that sexy, man. So Invictus for me is like the number one perfume in terms of each and everything. I'll come on to the next point very soon. Okay, now I'll discuss the second Versace Rose. In the last video, I've already told you like Versace Rose smells like green apple, the mint, and that lavender kind of. It's very cool. Wow, what happened? Wow. Oh, the bottle looks like very cool now. So when you take the first sniff of this perfume, you feel like you're taking a deep dive into a swimming pool. It's very hot. It's very hot outside, and if you want to jump into the pool, just take 3 or 4 sprays of this perfume. You will feel like you've taken a deep jump into a swimming pool. It's that amazing. Oh man. So the juice, very potent, excellent performance. Excellent performance. So it's very versatile, as I told you. In the clubs, you just love. Now, why in the clubs? Why is it called the king of clubs? It has that note of green apple and the mint. In the club, you would have seen a lot of cocktails have the base note of green apple, okay, and also what do you call that, patchouli kind of fresh minty fragrance. So it smells like a virgin mojito. Wow, really, I can easily relate it to virgin mojito, a kind of a cocktail which smells very sexy. Imagine a cocktail having ice, crushed ice, a vodka, a lemon, and some mint leaves. It smells exactly the same. Wow. This is why I call this perfume the king of clubs. So sexy, man. So sexy. Wow. Oh, and the third one. Now, why I would not like to call this a third one. I feel bad because this perfume has given me the most compliments in the entire collection, whatever I have right now. This, I can tell you, take 2 sprays on your neck, hug your girlfriend or hug your wife. Will be spellbound to kiss you. I'm telling you, it's that sexy. That's amazing, man. 2 sprays only, you are done. Okay. So in terms of smells, smell. Let me take a smell of this. Man, this is not very potent. This is not very loud, but this is divine. If you want to smell something divine, you have to take a sniff of this perfume. Why I tell you that CEO, that rich, that class, that potency, that personality you need to have when you wear this Aqua di Gio Profumo, because of the divine smelling. This smells luxury. This smells class. This smells rich personality. So before wearing this perfume, always remember whatever you're wearing should be very tight, should be very skinny. You should have a good muscle, you should have a good personality, you should have a good looks when you wear this perfume. Just don't wear on the hanky panky kind of cloth on this perfume. So I cannot say this is the third one, but out of the three, why I tell you this, I have kept this on the third number because the smell itself is out of the box and it's luxury, and luxury things cannot be worn at any time, anywhere, or on at any normal occasion. So this is, I have kept third. When I say this third, it means it is something unique. Okay, guys. So as I've told you, Invictus, Versace, and Armani, the presentation, the fragrance smells, the projection. Projection, in terms of projection, yes, a very important thing. This one is just damn good. Which one? Invictus. If you're going into a marriage party, there are lots of people who are wearing perfume, but if you want to stand out of each and every one, take 5 sprays of this. Take 5 sprays. It will kill each and every perfume. The notes, the projection is so loud, you just cannot bear this. The fragrance trail is just super excellent. So I can say, if you're going in a marriage party, wear this. If you're going to meet your girlfriend, if you're going to a club, if you're going to a party, if you're going to a lounge, if you're going with your friends, wear this. This is that damn good. It has that DNA which will make you stand apart out of all your friends, of all the people you are along with. And this, when you wear this, you don't need to stand out of the box because you are the man of the show. This represents your personality. So you don't need to project loud, because when you walk on the way, there is no one else. Each and every one standing beside you or around you can easily make out who you are. That is Acqua di Armani by Profumo. If you are wearing perfume, the first reason is always you are wearing for yourself because you want to smell good. But the second reason, which is the number one reason, is to get compliments from whoever passes by you or whoever comes to your way. In terms of compliments, I think the most number of compliments which I have got till now is from Acqua di Profumo by Armani. Sorry, Acqua di Profumo by Armani. Second compliment getter which I have got it from Invictus, and the third I got it from Versace Eros. So don't take it like I'm saying this first, this third, this second. No. These three are the fragrances for the rest of the life. If you do not have any idea, if you do not have any knowledge, if you don't want to think which one, don't waste your time. Go and grab any one out of these, or if you can take all these three. You don't need to wear any other fragrance. This grapefruit, oceanic touch, and loud projection makes this number one. This one, youth icon brand Versace, fashion eye attention, a sexy perfume which is meant for young and youth guys. Go for this, the king of clubs. And the note I already told you, green apple, mint, lavender, oh sexy cocktail. And the third one, if you want to smell out of the box, you want to smell like luxury, wear this incense, patchouli, deep dense fragrance. So 3 fragrance for the rest of your life. This was Rohit, right now signing off from Sniff and Smell. Thank you for watching my video.